Most beginner investors have the same problem. They don't know where to start, not with the analysis, with the list. Which stocks should you even be looking at? There are over 7,000 publicly traded companies in the US alone. How do you go from 7,000 to a short list of 10 or 20 worth actually researching? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. We're going to use a free tool called Finviz to filter the entire stock market down to a focused watch list, and then use AI to take it further. The whole thing takes under 15 minutes, and you can do it tonight for free. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the AI Portfolio. I'm your host and a CFA Charterholder, one of the most rigorous credentials in global finance. If you're new here, I build this channel for everyday investors who want to think like professionals without paying for professional tools. And just to be clear, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is about building a research process. What you do with that research is always your own decision. All right, let's build your watch list. Step 1. Go to Finviz. Head to finviz.com. It's completely free to use the core features. No account required. Once you're there, click on the Screener tab at the top. What you're looking at now is one of the most powerful free tools in investing. You can filter the entire US stock market by over 60 different criteria, things like sector, market cap, revenue growth, profit margins, dividend yield, and more. Step 2. Set your filters. Here are the filters I use as a starting point for growth-oriented research. You can adjust these for your own style, but this gives you a solid foundation. First, set market cap to mid or large. This filters out very small companies that tend to be more speculative and harder to research with AI tools. Second, set country to USA. This keeps things clean and consistent for our purposes. Third, set EPS growth this year to positive. This means the company is growing its earnings, a basic signal of financial health. Fourth, set sales growth quarter over quarter to over 10%. We want companies where the business is actually expanding. And fifth, this one is optional but powerful. Set analyst recommendation to buy or strong buy. This doesn't mean analysts are always right, but it tells you the market has some consensus interest in the name. With these 5 filters, you'll typically get somewhere between 20 and 60 stocks. That's a workable list. Step 3. Bring AI into it. Now take your filtered list and bring it to ChatGPT or Claude. Here's the exact prompt I use. Here is a list of stocks that passed a basic financial screen. For each one, give me a 1-sentence description of what the company does and flag any that operate in AI, clean energy, or healthcare. I want to identify the most interesting names to research further. Within seconds, you have a plain English summary of every name on your list. You can immediately see which companies are in sectors you understand and care about, and which ones you want to dig into further. This is the combination that makes Finviz so powerful for beginners. The screener does the filtering, the AI does the explaining, and you make the decisions. Step 4. Pick your top 5. From your AI annotated list, choose the 5 names that interest you most. These become your research watch list for the week. Next step would be to run each one through the 5-prompt ChatGPT analysis we covered in episode 3, business model, bull case, bear case, earnings, and overall picture. That's a complete research workflow. Screen with Finviz, summarize with AI, analyze with prompts, all free, all beginner friendly. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Go to finviz.com and open the screener. 2. Set 5 filters. Large or mid-cap, US only. Positive EPS growth, 10% sales growth, analyst buy rating. 3. Take your filtered list to ChatGPT or Claude and ask for plain English summaries. 4. Pick your top 5 names and add them to your research watch list. That's it. 7,000 stocks down to 5 worth researching in under 15 minutes. Next week, I'm going to show you how to use AI to read an earnings report, the kind that most beginners find intimidating, and pull out exactly what matters in under 5 minutes. If you don't want to miss that, hit subscribe right now and drop a comment below. What sector are you most interested in right now? Tech, healthcare, energy? Let me know and I'll make sure to cover it. I'll see you in the next one.